Fresh homemade ginger garlic paste in just 3 minutes. Let's begin. You need equal parts ginger and garlic, a little salt, and some oil or lemon juice. Wash ginger, peel with a spoon and chop into small pieces. Peel garlic cloves and chop roughly. Add ginger and garlic into a blender. Add salt and 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil or lemon juice. Blend to a smooth paste. Add a splash of water only if needed. Check the texture. Smooth but slightly coarse is perfect. Transfer to a clean jar. Refrigerate with a thin oil layer for up to a week, or freeze in ice cube trays for up to 3 months. Add to curries, marinades, stir-fries, or soups for instant flavor. Equal ginger and garlic. Add salt and oil or lemon, blend smooth, and store properly. Your fresh ginger garlic paste is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick kitchen tips.